question. Set up an equation in the following cases. In the second one, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. 49 years old. Clear? Lakshmi's father is 49 years old and he is 4 years older than. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Say, he is saying that his daughter is 4 years. He is saying 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Father age is 4 years older than. Older means what, right? Plus, yeah, plus 4. Then 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now the question is, what is Lakshmi's age? What is the present age of Lakshmi? So that we don't know. That is not given. Just Lakshmi's father's age is 49 years. Clear? Father age is 49 years. Then what is the age of Lakshmi? What is the present age of Lakshmi? That is not given, right? So one hint is given, that is, take Lakshmi's age to be Y years. So we have to consider Lakshmi's age is Y years. Means that we don't know, so here they considered that is unknown. So we will consider the variable. Here it is considered the variable is Y. Here we can consider any variable what is already mentioned in the question. We have to consider the same variable. Okay. So your variable is a Y. So that is age of Lakshmi. So now father age is 49 years. Now he is saying that he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. He is 4 years older. Older means you write plus 4. 4 years older than 3 times. 3 times means we write 3 into. Correct? 3 times 3 into Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? We consider Lakshmi's age is Y. Correct? Lakshmi's present age is Y years. Y years. Clear? So now who is saying Lakshmi's father is saying what is the age of Lakshmi's father? That is 49 years. Clear? 49 years. So now you write like this. First write the equation. Write in the sentence. Solution. So first let Y be the age of Lakshmi, or right? Let Y be the age of Y years be the age of Lakshmi. Clear? Or you can write let Lakshmi's age be Y years. Okay? Now we'll see. Father's age. Lakshmi's father age. Lakshmi's father age is given now 49 years. 49 years old. Okay. Now Lakshmi's father is saying that he is 4 years older. 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times Lakshmi's age. Clear? 4 times older. 4 times older. Clear? 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So now see here Lakshmi's father age is 49. 49 is equal to 3 times Lakshmi's age. 3 times means 3 into what is what we consider Lakshmi age? That is Y. So 3Y plus 4. 3Y plus 4 is equal to 49. So this is an equation. Yeah. So now we can write therefore 3Y plus 4 is equal to 49. So this is an equation. The question is set up an equation in the following cases. So here it is given in word. So you are writing the equation. How we can form equation by using the sentence? See, Lakshmi's father is 49 years old and he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be Y years. So this is a hint. So by using this we can set up the equation. Clear? So you read the questions, then how we can form equation or do it. Now in this question, so why be the age of Lakshmi and father age is given. Lakshmi's father age is 49 years. What he is saying? His age is 3 times Lakshmi's age and it is 4 years older. 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So we get equation like this. 49 is equal to 3y plus 4, or we can write 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. Clear? Yes. Okay, next question. See here. Next exercise. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So first you have to, what you have to do? You have to separate the variable. So the question is, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So how to separate this variable, then how we can solve this equation. See, first question is x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So in this x, write as it is x minus 1. For this you have to add plus 1 to both the sides. To separate the variable, what you have to do? You have to remove this number. So x will be in one side and constant will be in the another side. So what we have to do? We have to adding plus 1 to both the sides. Adding plus 1. So adding. If you want to write it in question x minus 1 equal to 0 and write like this. Adding 1 to both the sides. Plus 1 to both the sides. Why plus 1? Because see your question is there, here x minus 1, right? X minus 1 equal to 0. So you have to add plus 1 to both the sides. Suppose if you get in the question it is plus. So if you get x plus 1, then you are right here. Subtract 1 from both the sides. Clear? Subtract 1 from both the sides. Now we are writing plus 1. Okay. Direct line adding 1 to both the sides. Why? Because your sign is here it is given minus 1. Right? If it is given minus 1, then you have to add plus to the both the side. If it is given here plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then you have to write subtract 1 from both the sides. Subtract 1 from both the sides. Clear? So now in this question it is given minus, right? So we have to add 1 to both the sides. So we get like this, x minus 1 plus 1. This is a extra we are adding both the sides. That is plus 1, here also plus 1. Addition, right? Adding, so plus. Here also plus. How much you are adding? 1. The number is your minus 1, right? So same number you have to add both the sides. So what happens if you add plus 1 to both sides? See, now x will be in the same place. Now minus 1 and plus 1. Is it minus 1 and plus 1? That is different sign, right? Different sign means subtraction. Yeah? Different sign, subtraction. So 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? That is a 0. Clear? So these two terms get cancelled. No need of writing here. So these two terms get cancelled. Then what is remaining here? On the right hand side, 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? That is 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. See, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. The answer is 0. So no need of writing here. So directly we can write x is equal to 1. Clear? So this is the solution to the first equation. Okay, we will solve now second equation, that is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here the sign is plus 1, right? Plus 1. So what we have to do? To remove this number, we have to separate expression, we have to separate the variable and then we have to solve the equation. So now the answer here we got x value is 1. Clear? X is 1. So now in this case, in second question, so now subtract 1 from both the sides. subtract 1 from both the sides. Subtract 1 from both the sides. So now what happens? X plus 1 will be in same place. So now how much you will subtract the 1? Same number you will subtract. Plus 1. So you will write a minus 1 to both the sides. Here minus 1 means that is subtracting 1 from both the sides. Okay. Now x plus 1 minus 1 and in the right hand side 0 minus 1. Now simplify this, we get plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Then in the right hand side we get a 0 minus 1. What is 0 minus 1? It is a minus 1. Therefore x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 and here x is equal to plus 1. Okay. Now see now third question. Third question is x minus 1 is equal to 5. See the question, x minus 1. So we have to remove this minus 1, right? So what we have to add? Plus 1 means add 1 to both the sides. Adding 1 to both the sides. So now in the left hand side we get x minus 1. X minus 1. How much you have to add? 1. So addition plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Clear? So now what we get? The x will be in same place. Plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. So how much remaining? 5 plus 1, that is 6. So x is equal to 6 is the solution to that equation. Okay, x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 is a solution. Now here x is equal to 1. In second question x is equal to minus 1 and x value in third question will be 6. So here we separated variable and that's why we wrote constant. Clear? Yes. Now fourth question. Fourth question is in textbook. You can solve. Clear? When you solve fifth question. Fourth question is same as it is. Now fifth question is y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. See, here the number is minus 4, correct? In the question it is given minus 4 along with the variable y. So y minus 4. So we have to separate the variable. First we have to separate the variable, then you have to solve the equation. Yeah? So y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So minus 4. To remove this minus 4, what you have to do? You have to add plus 4. So now in this question, adding 4 to both the sides. Adding 4 to both the sides. Clear? So now see here y minus 4. Then how much you have to add? See, first question that as y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. Y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. For this, you have to add a plus 4 and also plus 4. The same number you should add. Yeah? Same number. Minus 4, right? Write a plus 4, plus 4. Both the sides, same number you must add. Now, the variable is y, like as it is. Plus 4 and minus 4 will get a cancel. Here, so y is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4, different sign, correct? Minus plus different sign, subtraction. So 7 minus 4, what is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 is a 3. So which is a greater number? 7. That sign is a minus. So the value of y is minus 3. Clear? So y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. So to separate the variable, to remove this minus 4, right? So you have to add 4 to both the sides. Suppose if it is given plus 4, then what we have to do? We have to subtract 4 from both the sides. Subtract 4 from both the sides. Clear? So why? Because to separate the variable, in the next step we have to solve the equation. So this answer will be y is equal to minus 3. Yes. Thank you. Okay, see next question. 42. 3L means 3 into L is equal to 42. So 3 into L is equal to 42. So how to separate the variable and how to solve the equation? So first 3L means along with the variable is here L, right? The variable is L. So along with variable there is a coefficient, that is a coefficient is here 3, correct? So this number, this 3 we have to remove. So this 3 is multiplied to the variable. This is multiplied. So what we have to do? To remove this, we have to divide by the same number. So you have to divide the same number both the sides. Here dividing 3 by 3 on both the sides. Here. So now first you write 3L is equal to 42. So this along with variable there is a number that is 3. This 3 we have to remove. Correct? To separate the variable, so this 3 we have to remove. So this is multiplied. So to remove this we have to divide the same number. If it is addition, then we will subtract, right? If it is minus, we will add. So like this here it is multiplied, so we have to divide. Okay, now dividing both the side by 3. Dividing both the side by 3. So we will get 3L divided by 3, and similarly in the right hand side is the number 42, that also divided by 3. Here, so 3L by 3 and 42 by 3. Now how to simplify this? 3 and 3 get cancelled. Here 3 how much are 3? 3 ones are 3, and here also 3 ones are 3. So 3 get cancelled after dividing both the sides by 3. So why we are dividing? Because the number is here 3. 3 is multiplied, so we have to divide by 3. Clear? So now suppose if the number is here 4, then what you have to do? You have to divide by 4 both the sides. Okay? So now here is 3, so we are dividing the number by 3 both the sides. See 3L by 3, and here in the right hand side it is 42 by 3. Now divide 3 how much are 42? 3 ones are 3. 3 how much are 42? You know 3 ones are 3. In 4 3 ones are 3. How much remaining? In 4 if you subtract 3 remaining 1. Correct? So 3 ones are 3. Here also 3 ones are 3. Remaining you must add here. You get 12. So 3 ones are 12. 3 fours are 12. So 3 fours are 12. That means 3 ones are 3, 3 14s are 42, 3 14s are 42. So what is remaining here? Remaining L, and in the right hand side it is 14. So the value of the variable L is 14. Okay. So L is equal to 14. First what we did, we have to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So 3L is equal to 42. So dividing both the sides by 3, then we will get the remaining only L. L by 1, that will write L. So L is equal to 14. Clear? So next question number B. B by 2 is equal to 6. B divided by 2 is equal to 6. So now here to separate the variable. Which is a variable here? Variable is a B. So B divided by 2 is equal to 6. So here it is a division. 2 is a divided. So then next one. See this is a divided. So to remove this 2, what we have to do? We have to multiply. So we have multiply both the sides. Multiply both the sides by 2. Why 2? Because here the denominator is here 2. This is divided. Here it is multiplied, so we divided. Here in this question it is divided, so we have to multiply. Multiply both the sides by 2. So now B by 2 is equal to 6. So after multiplying, see this will be in same place. B by 2 is equal to 6. So how much would multiply both the sides? It is multiplying by 2 to both the sides. Multiply 2 to both the sides, we get 2 and 2 get cancelled. Correct? 2 ones are 2 ones. Okay, actually this 2 is in the numerator. This is in the denominator. So we can cancel this. Clear? So 2 ones are 2 ones are. So what is remaining? Remaining B. So B is equal to 6 twos are 12. So therefore the value of B is 12. So B is equal to 12 is the solution to this equation. So first what you have to do, you have to separate the variable. So here it is divided, so you have to multiply both the sides by 2. In this denominator, suppose if you get 4 or 3 any other number, then you will multiply the same number. Here if it is 5, then what you write? Multiplying both the sides by 5. Multiplying both the sides by 5. Okay. Now see our question number 3. Question number 3 is P by 7 is equal to 4. P by 7 is equal to 4. So in this along the variable is P by 7. P divided by 7. So we have to remove this 7, right? So what we have to do, this is divided, so write multiplying 7 to both the sides. Multiplying 7 to both the sides, what we get now? P by 7, P divided by 7 is equal to 4. So to remove this 7, what we have to do? We have to multiply 7 to both the sides. 7 to both the sides. So now we get 7 is in the denominator, here 7 is in the numerator, right? So we can simplify this. We can cancel 7 ones are 7 ones are, correct? We can simplify and we get the answer. P is equal to 4 sevens are, that is 28. 4 sevens are 28. So separated, variable is separated and the number is separated, right? So P is equal to 28. So in third question also the variable is divided by 7. Since fourth question it is 4x is equal to 25. See the question, 4x is equal to 25. So in this so along with the variable there is a number that is 4. So 4x is equal to 25. So now we have to separate the variable. This is multiplied, right? So here it is multiplied. So to remove this 4, we have to divide by the same number. Yeah. So dividing both the sides by 4. Dividing both the sides by 4, we get 4x is equal to 25. So both the sides will divide by 4. Because see, if you divide, we get this and this term will get cancelled. That means 4 and 4 get cancelled. Correct? 4 and 4 get cancelled. Then x is equal to 25 by 4 is remaining. Can you simplify this? 25 by 4? Is it whether divides 4? No, 4 does not divide 25. So the value of x is 25 by 4. Yeah? So first see the question whether this is multiplied or divided or it is added or subtracted. So that you have to see. Then how we can separate the variable, and you have to think. First in this question it is multiplied, so it will divide both the sides. Suppose if it is divided, then you have to multiply. Yeah? Here, so for example, if it is added, then you have to subtract. Yeah? Yes. Thank you.